Hello friends, welcome to second part of Junit series. Today we will learn about types of software testing. In software development, we have different types of testing. First one is unit testing. Unit testing focus on smallest unit like loops, methods or functions. It has types like positive testing or negative testing. Second one is integration testing. Focus on integration of multiple component output like validation or verification. In integration testing, there can be multiple component, multiple applications, multiple microservices in which we test different outputs of those applications, those services. For example, we have login application, we have sign up application, so we can test those in integration testing. Third one is regression testing. Regression testing focus on whole component or module works properly. In this, we test that our module, our whole application is working properly or not. We test from top to bottom, from start to end in regression testing. Fourth one is smoke test. In smoke test, we focus if any change happen and it do not break whole component or modules functionality. In smoke test, we do some bug fixing or some changes in our application, and we check that whole application is working fine with that particular changes. In alpha beta testing, it is done in and out of the organization. In alpha testing, we test our applications with internal members of our organization. In beta testing, it is tested in the outer organization. In stress testing, we check that different system load and performance of the application. Application is uploaded on different servers on different operating systems. It is tested under different load, in high load, in low load. Also in stress testing, we check the performance of the application, how it is working and is it passing all the levels or not. Thank you friends. Hope you like this Junit series. Please like, comment and subscribe. Please share your questions in comment. Thank you.